What up? Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? So a little something different. Kind of trapped inside today. Usually I like to get out for the morning, but as you can see, it's just coming down out there. That's kind of nasty. Oh, who's this guy? Come here, you little guy. How you doing, devil? Dude, we can't go outside. You want to go take a look? Yeah. Let's see. Come on. Oh, sorry. I don't know what to tell you, sir. Rainy. Go away. So Ryder can go play. Good boy, Ryder. Do what you gotta do. Cold and wet. Oh, poor doggy. Well, dang, I don't know what to tell you, man. That kind of sucks, but... Ooh, you are soaked. Ooh, big dog. Need some food? Gotta get you the food that you like, 'cause you eat so much dang food. You eat too much food. I don't know how you do it, but that's okay.
Been raining for a minute, man.
Oh yeah, it sucks, dude. Derek, my roommate. Say what's up, dude.
What's up?
You gonna eat or what? Huh? Good boy. Booyah. Try to stay dry. So basically, he's wondering who I'm talking to. They're so cute. Kind of just wanted to go over some stuff. It's gonna be on my channel. You know, I got the drone. I've got the T2i. It's old school. I used to have a 7D. It was great. And then I took it to Costa Rica, and we actually went to Panama, and I set it on a rock for long exposure, and boom, instantly the waves got it, and that was done. So my photography has kind of gone downhill since then, but I'm getting back into it. And you know, now that I got that drone, it's kind of motivating me to get out there and do more filming and stuff. So hopefully we can get more adventures going. Hopefully you get more views and more videos for you guys to check out. I'm getting a lot of inspiration watching these YouTube videos. For some reason, I'm drawn to the fishing videos. John B. Jigging with Jordan? Yeah, Jigging with Jordan. D Almighty, I think that guy. I don't know. All fishers. I'm been watching them a lot, and it's just fun to watch. And they make some really good videos, and hopefully I can do some similar stuff. So I'm grabbing what I've got. I'm grabbing my gear. You know, I don't have anything super fancy, but I've got stuff to make it work. 2018, so I'm gonna go hard. So I've also got 2 jobs right now. I'm working full time. Usually I don't even have a day off. I took a few days off like a week ago for my birthday, my 31st birthday. Yeah, I'm 31. Ugh. That sounds pretty awful. For the Sunset Cliffs Cave video, I didn't film myself at all because I wasn't really doing that at the time. It was only a couple weeks ago, but I just recently decided like I'm gonna go onto this vlog thing hard. I'll kind of tell you about it just at home when it's raining, because there's not really much else for me to do right now. Sunset Cliffs has this cave that's kind of blocked off, but it goes through the rocks. The water has created a tunnel through, and it looks epic. people go down there during low tides. I haven't gone down there myself, but hopefully I'll get down there and take some pictures because it creates some stunning images. I happened to get down there with the drone and Ryder, and we just took some quick shots, some big aerial shots, some fly through the cave shots. It was pretty cool, pretty sketchy. Gets the heart racing, especially with that expensive drone. You know, I just got it a couple months ago. So if you're just tuning in, thanks for joining. Really appreciate it. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and maybe I'll keep posting videos. Who knows? You can come back and be entertained, or get a laugh in, or thumbs down. I don't know, whatever. Who cares, man? Just thanks for showing up. Cool.